everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be putting Funko Pops in my aquarium. If correctly done, these potentially hazardous plastic collectibles can be made 100% aquarium safe. This is not for the bobblehead version though. The issue with most plastic is that over time they can release a toxic gas, ultimately killing your fish. We are going to make these aquarium safe using a $5 tube of aquarium safe silicone. Honestly, I don't know how long or even if this certain plastic is toxic to fish or not. But let's be honest, I don't want to risk it. Here we have two pops from my favorite TV show, 11 and the scary Demogorgon. You will need a tube of transparent, waterproof, 100% silicone. I got this tube at my local home improvement store for only $5. This tube lasted me through both pops and I still had about half left over. My tube actually says aquarium safe, but I've researched that other types are safe too. But really, it's only $5 on Amazon. The first thing I did before getting started was supergluing the bottom plastic piece to the pop. This helps with it becoming easier to attach to a rock and weigh it down. After drying, I started applying the silicone by using an old paintbrush. The best part about the silicone being transparent is that it won't be able to be seen once in the water. The texture isn't going to be noticeable. You also aren't going to be able to lay down a smooth coat because of the tackiness of the silicone. You want to make sure to apply as evenly as possible, covering every little detail. The key to this is layers. Once you are done with the first full coat, allow to dry for 24 hours. I did a total of 3 coats for these two, including the bottom. The issue with pops is that the head is full of air. I'm sure you can attempt different things like adding small rocks into the head or even cement. The head does come off easily by bowling it and then pulling/twisting off. I used to make custom pops and this was the way that I removed the heads. I did not do that, but I may attempt something like that in the future. I had to use pretty big rocks to make sure they were heavy enough to stay underwater. I used some super glue to attach the rocks. Just a side note, make sure to use gel super glue. I use Gorilla Glue and have had great luck with it. It hasn't caused any harm to my fish or any plants. When I added the pops to the aquarium, I covered the rocks and bottom plastic piece with sand. I had to add more sand on each side due to the size of the rocks I had to use just to hold the pops down. In this aquarium, the black sand is black diamond sandblast media, and this tan sand is pool sand. I may do a future video on both of these sands as they are a cheaper option and have worked very well. I did decide to get a different beta on the normal sides, and Finn got moved to a different aquarium. So there you have it. I'm sure you can use this method on most things that you want to make safe for your aquarium. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think I should do for my next aquarium.